Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be giving you a crash course on cells. So, I know what you're thinking. What is a cell? Well, cells are these little microscopic things that are basically everywhere, really. A cell is made up of a lot of things, but we're just going to talk about the basics today. A cell is basically a living organism on your body that helps you function with everyday things. Today we're going to talk about animal cells, so let's get started with that. On the outside of a cell is the cell membrane. It's like the skin of the cell. It controls what goes in and out. It can say, hey, this is a good thing, let's go in. Or it can push things out, like if there's bacteria or a virus. Boop. Next, you have the cytoplasm. It supports the cell. It's like a water bottle. You have the water that's inside, and then the cell membrane on the outside. And the cytoplasm, it basically keeps everything in place and supports the cell. Next thing you have is the libosomes. Libosomes basically break down dead cells. So anything that your cell doesn't need, the libosomes pick up. It's like a janitor. It cleans up everything. So no matter how much you leave, it's always going to pick it up. Next thing you have is the mitochondria. The mitochondria basically produces energy. We need energy to live and function properly, and so does the cell. So think of a cell as a human. You need energy, so you drink or eat. And that's the same thing with a cell, except the mitochondria just produces energy for it, and it just keeps on going on and on and on. And then you have ribosomes. They produce protein. The mitochondria and the ribosome sort of work together. The mitochondria produces energy, and the ribosomes produce protein. Together, they make a great pair to make a nice functioning cell that's healthy and happy. Then, you have the vacuole that stores things, like the protein. And it also transports the proteins to other things, other parts of the cells, and even different cells. And that's basically like a conveyor belt of great things happening there. And last but not least, you have the nucleus, the overlord of the cell. It's basically like the brain. Your brain helps you function in everyday tasks and helps you with special abilities. And that's basically what a nucleus does. The nucleus is set to a special function that helps the cell do what cells do best, and that's being cells. Like my nose cells are specially designed to help me smell, or my tongue taste buds are specially designed to make me taste. And that's basically what the nucleus tells it. If I have a nose cell, it's gonna tell my nose, like, hey, smell something. Or if I have a tongue cell, it's gonna say, hey, taste this. And that's basically how amazing cells are. They're all run with one nucleus, and they all function the same. It's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this crash course on cells and what's in a cell. I mainly focused on animal cells, but that's not going to stop you from learning more about cells and everyday things. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.